तुम्हारा इस तरह से इग्नोर करना won't change my feelings for you.
जन्म कब लेना है और मरना कब है हम डिसाइड नहीं कर सकते, पर कैसे जीना है वो हम डिसाइड कर सकते हैं.
Namaste, namaskar, my name is Vinesh. In this video, we're gonna react to Dil Bechara official trailer. So it's delayed, like it released 1 week ago. Like right now, it has like 71 million.
And it's a great hit.
Yeah, it's a great hit, but 71 million.
So,
but even though we decided to react to because it's such a great loss, and it's this movie gonna make millions cry.
Yeah.
So we decided to react to. Joining us is my friends Nishan,
Hi guys.
Sanjay.
Hi guys.
Do follow them in Instagram and all that. I will put a link in the description down below. Also, if you're new or if you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button along with the notification bell. Do follow me in my social medias. Me too. Just like I'll put link in the description. Just go right in. It's one click away. It's completely free. Show some support like budding creators like us. So that means a lot to us. Okay, you get me? So it's like Dil Bechara.
Yeah.
Poor art, Dil Bechara. So it's official trailer. So the movie is gonna come in Disney All-Star. So it's like Sushant Singh Rajput, you know.
So sad, yeah. He's such an innocent guy.
So it's like a great
He's
loss.
35, right?
Yeah, 34, almost 34.
34.
Like when it's like it's a great loss, you know. So when it's like an actor, so when it's like he's such a young actor, his career is kind of rising up, boosting up, and at the moment he's just dead. How can a person he doesn't deserve this?
Yeah.
Of course, and many people are just like burst out of the emotions like due to the nepotism which happened. I mean exactly so to say, due to the nepotism, they said like mainly like 4 people or something. One is like Salman Khan, Karan Johar, Alia Bhatt. Besides one actor, I forgot whatever. So there are like 4 people. They said I'm not sure whether it's like completely true or something. But even though I just wanna say, even though whatever that happened, these people have to get what they deserve.
Yeah.
There's a thing called karma, you know.
Yeah.
So when it's
Yeah,
like
it will happen.
it will happen.
Have they confirmed the case that it's murder?
Yes, CBI
they have
involved.
given it as
It is murder, man.
but
Like
it's not a
once again, let me say,
forensic evidence is different.
once again, guys, like someone's calling. Like let me put it in silent. So I just want to say, hey Sanjay, put it in silent, man. Okay, I just want to say, guys, since whatever it is, like he doesn't deserve it, and when it's like the CBI is involved, and also the picture which they reveal, when it's like if you suicide, it will be like this portion will be like that much affected, but not this portion. So they said something wrong.
Not was here. It's not a common question for
also
suicide. It will be like if
There's a lot. Wait, therere's a lot of controversial videos in.
Yeah,
YouTube
it doesn't matter, but let's make it simple.
No,
What is
not
nepo?
about what is nepotism?
Hey, wait,
It's
wait.
like,
Let me.
if my dad
Father
is a
and
politician,
son,
right?
yeah.
And I'm also being
You're
a politician,
gonna
but
become,
I am
yeah.
not. Okay, somewhat.
Hey, just like
I'm also being
it's
in
like a
nepotism.
favorism. Nepotism like favorism. When you favor
Yeah,
one
to your
people.
close people, to
Yeah,
your close
it's
yeah,
like when
yeah,
compared to
yeah,
a guy who's more skilled than the guy who's like a son of
Only
Shah
they
Rukh
have
Khan
to
or something.
achieve. Yes.
Yeah,
that's
let's make it simple, okay? Let's make it simple. So
Yeah.
we don't want to attract that much. Whatever
Yeah.
it is, this movie is gonna be like it's gonna be emotional. When it's like Sushant Singh Rajput, I only movie
Wonderful
which
actor.
I love, movie MS Dhoni.
Yeah, that is the
Everyone
only
saw.
movie I've. Yeah.
So when it's like this trailer, we are so much excited. Already 3 minutes long. We don't
no,
want to
no,
delay
no,
much
no,
further. Sanjay,
okay,
we
you
don't
can
want to
go.
delay much further. Let's get into the trailer.
Yeah.
Guys, since it's our first reaction, we try not discuss more. So sorry
Yeah.
for that. Like I will put like where the reaction start. You can directly go to the reaction. Okay, fine. If it's not, if you hate talking and all that. So we're gonna get into the video. I mean official trailer right now. Let's go.
नानी बचपन में अक्सर मुझे ये कहानी सुनाया करती थी। एक था राजा, एक थी रानी। दोनों मर गए।
Where's the volume, by the way?
Volume is good, right? Okay.
ऐसी कहानी
Wait, something
को
happened.
अच्छी नहीं लगती।
Oh.
Yeah.
Wait, no
मेरी
worries.
नानी बचपन में अक्सर
Some
मुझे ये
loose
कहानी
connection.
सुनाया करती थी। एक था राजा, एक थी रानी, दोनों मर गए, खत्म कहानी। पर ऐसी कहानियाँ किसी को अच्छी नहीं लगती। मेरा नाम किजी बासु है। क्यों है मत पूछो। मुझे कैंसर है।
The Fault in Our Stars.
Yeah. It's
Yeah,
like a remake
totally.
of.
Yeah.
तुम्हारा नाम किस नहीं रखा किसी
It's किजी। ज़।
मेरा नाम इमैनुअल राजकुमार जूनियर है। कुछ साल पहले मुझे
The way he acts is totally natural.
Yes.
I love it.
Cool guy.
It's unique.
You don't deserve this. Yeah, Rahman.
तुम सेफ नहीं लगते। सीरियल किलर टाइप लगते।
मैं सीरियल किलर, तुम सीरियल किसर, हाथ छोड़िए।
सरी
सरी का मतलब ओके।
अक्सर सरी
Yes.
हमारा वर्ड है,
But there's one thing I feel.
पर कैंसर को हंसी और खुशी से प्रॉब्लम है।
एक था राजा एक थी रानी, दोनों मर गए, खत्म
What
कहानी।
they say always.
पर
They
ये
say.
कहानी अधूरी,
They die at
इसे
the
पूरा
end.
वो राजा और रानी करते हैं।
तानी मुझे पेरिस जाना है, तो मेरे हार्ट के लिए जरूरी। Beats faster every time you come closer.
He is making her happy.
आप फ्लैट हुआ बाबू, मेरी प्रॉब्लम है, उसे सफर करने की जरूरत नहीं है।
तुम्हारा इस तरह से इग्नोर करना वन चेंज में फील चाहिए।
जन्म कब लेना है और मरना कब है हम डिसाइड नहीं कर सकते, पर कैसे जीना है वो हम डिसाइड कर सकते हैं।
सरी किसी बात से
They always say silly. Poor art.
It would have been better if he is us.
अभी नहीं है, कभी नहीं।
कभी नहीं।
चल छुट्टी।
Friend zone.
क्या सोच रहा है?
Rahman voice. Just murks, man. Did you see the title track? Rahman voice.
Yeah.
That's the title track. Wow, what a trailer, guys. Wow.
I feel like the girl is somewhat younger, looks like younger to that guy.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, even I too thought that, but even though it doesn't matter, it happened, they recorded the film.
Yeah.
But right now, the thing is, to celebrate the legacy of Sushant Singh Rajput, Dil Bechara, it's available to all subscribers and non-subscribers. So they're just giving it like free in All-Star, it seems. So such, right now it has 71 million and 10 million likes.
Yeah.
They showed all the love what they can give to him in this
That's
form.
a huge thing. That
Of course,
that
it's a
has
huge
crossed
thing.
like the Avengers, right?
Yes, of course.
Yeah.
Not Avengers. I'm not sure.
The Avengers Endgame's views is totally less.
I'm not
than-
sure. Maybe in one day or something like it may broke record. I'm not sure. It doesn't matter. But I'm just like, what's your thoughts on this movie? Like, is it gonna touch your heart? And when it's like the story, you probably know the story.
Yeah, it looks
We
like
already know what it is because I like
Did you
what-
see the remake? I mean, the original film.
The Fault in Our Stars. No, actually, my girlfriend she asked me to watch that film, but I
Okay.
didn't yet.
Okay. When it's like me, to be frank, I didn't see that movie, but I know what it's about. Like two cancer.
I think she has something like a
Cancer.
yeah.
Of
that
course,
is what,
cancer.
Of course, she said that
Yeah.
in that movie.
But also, he says
one
like
thing we can see like in all his movies, he is giving hope to someone else.
yes. But
How
the thing,
can
what
we
is
accept
that?
this guy to
Yeah.
commit suicide?
yeah, of course.
That's
But
what-
this is a murder. This is a
Truly unfair.
yeah, we already know that, but the thing is right now we can't do anything. If you lost something, we can get it back right there, but whatever it
that's
is,
true.
like it's they will get it, karma, the karma will get them, like whatever who did it.
Let's
I'm
hope
not
so.
sure.
Let's hope.
Let's hope so. And when this movie is gonna, I mean, it would have been better if this movie released in theaters, but due to this coronavirus situation, so there's no theaters and all that. But even though we're
Yeah.
gonna watch in our phones virtually, like the thing, whatever the computer or something. But even though it's gonna touch all the people's hearts, it's such a, it's its last film. It's his last film, just like that. But I don't know whoever did this gonna pay back, guys. We just like literally can't wait to see this movie. And what's your thoughts on all that? Like even though if of different countries, and like when it's like my followers, like who are from different countries, they are so much mad about Bollywood. They watch,
Seriously?
yes, of course, they are
Okay.
so much mad about Bollywood. They watch all the Bollywood films. That's why they show love to me.
Oh,
Now,
no.
as an Indian, I'm the only one who reviewed their songs. So that's why. So whoever does, like what's your thoughts on all that? So do let me know. So if you just like really, let's pray for his soul to rest in peace. All that we can't say anything much more, guys. So always like karma will get whoever did this, but I don't know, man. But this thing, but people are aware right now.
We hope that at least it
Something
never
has to
happen
be done.
again.
Something-
Yeah,
yeah.
wait. But people are aware right now. They said boycott Salman Khan movies. They're not gonna watch Salman Khan movies.
Why
ever.
Salman Khan though?
But he is the
No, he is
art of the nepotism. He's the main.
He is the main.
Yeah, he's the main on Karan Johar.
I don't.
So whatever it is, like Karma will get them. Let's hope for the best, and then let's thank them for watching our reaction.
Yeah.
Thank you guys. Thank you guys.
Thanks a lot.
Thanks a lot. Means a lot to us.
Yeah.
And before ending this video, if you're new or if you haven't subscribed, make sure the subscribe button along with the notification bell. Do follow us in Instagram and all that. Instagram and Facebook. Even I have a Facebook page. If you're active over in Instagram, go right now follow me in my Instagram. If you're active over in Facebook, leave a like in my Facebook page. All link in the description down below. Also, do follow my friends like Nishant and Sanjay. They just like do support them whatever they do. I will put a link in the description down below. That's pretty much it, guys. With being said, I'm just going to end this video right as always. So we'll see you guys in the next video. Until then,
Bye bye.
bye bye.